I'm Joseph Brooks, and this is Lawyer in the Kitchen. Welcome. Today we are going to make custard breakfast casserole. And this is going to be fantastic. And we're going to use challah bread. We're going to use 8 eggs. We're going to use, how many ounces? 1 pound of sausage. You can use any kind of sausage you like. We're going to use about 3 or 4 leaves of sage. We're going to use 8 ounces of Gruyere cheese, and we're going to have some scallions, including the white and the green part. And you can't get fresher than this. We just pulled these out of the garden, 2-3 minutes ago. So these are going to be fantastic. Of course, salt and pepper, heavy cream, 1.5 cups of heavy cream, and 2 cups of milk. What's the oldest that we know of written accounting of a casserole? How many years ago? Okay, a few centuries. That takes us back to what? 1600s, right? Okay. Seth?
I'm going to say like 1300s.
Okay. It's 1253. Okay? Is it 1253? It's 1283. Now, for those of you who like the law and know anything about that, the Magna Carta is from 1215. And that's, a lot of people say that's what we attribute the jury system that we use in America today from England, from the Magna Carta. Anyhow, in other words, that's old. And the oldest known recipe that we have, is actually macaroni and cheese casserole, and that's from 1250. Everybody likes these because you can put them in the refrigerator and make it the night before and then put it into the oven the next morning early, and it's usually done at holidays. So it's a great time, great fun time to do it, and that's kind of what we're doing. This is sort of an Easter thing for us. Finished our bread. It's sitting ready, and now we're going to put the sausage in. We want this on medium-high. We don't want to burn it. Now, you could put a little olive oil in here, but I don't think you need to. The sausage has got plenty of fat. All right, so we're going to mix this with the bread in a few minutes, but we're going to put the other ingredients together first. So we want 8 eggs total. So we're going to whisk these eggs together first. 2 cups of regular whole milk. Cup and a half of heavy cream. This is 2 cups of Gruyere that I just grated, freshly grated. And we're going to leave a little bit for the top. Bite-sized pieces. All right, so we're going to pour this in. Sausage and the scallions in, but we're just going to mix it all together. All right, so we're going to put this in the dish. And you can put the cheese and the extra cheese on top now, or you can wait till about the last 10 minutes of baking. But this is going to go in the refrigerator now, covered for 4 hours or overnight. 4 hours or overnight. So this is a perfect dish to make if you have the early morning breakfast. Make this the night before, put it in the refrigerator, put the oven on 350, put it in there and cook it for 45 minutes. It should be done. It's been 45 minutes and I'm ready to pull this out. Look at that. Look at that. Doesn't that look nice? Look at this bubbling. Look at that. Still bubbling. There we go. All right. Okay, this has cooled off a little bit, and we're going to try this to see how this tastes. Ooh, it looks good. Could have used just a tad of salt, but you can always put that on afterwards. That's pretty tasty. The cut is real custardy. The sausage is good. Cheese is fantastic. I like it. I hope you tried this dish. I think it's really pretty good, and it's something you make the night before, put in the oven. It's fantastic, easy. You don't have a lot of work the next morning when you got guests, things like that. It should be fantastic. Thanks for coming by The Lawyer in the Kitchen. Please like and subscribe, and if you comment, I'll comment back, and I'll see you next time on Lawyer in the Kitchen.